use the designs, add a shape pair. Let's make a selection. Use another paint. And there is a design. We are using the paint here. I will try to make the changes. Here is a yellow color. So there we are. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.